feed enters the rumen, you have a host, billions of microorganisms in the rumen. Bacteria primarily, but also protozoa and fungi. They'll start by breaking down the feed, the carbohydrates in the feed primarily, and turning it into volatile fatty acids. Those get absorbed through the rumen wall into the portal blood to the liver, and that's really how the energy system for that animal works, quite differently than a simple stomach animal like a human being or a horse.
We need the animal to eat so the rumen's microbes begin the fermentation process and can produce VFAs. And once the VFAs are absorbed into the liver and other body tissues, they're converted to energy substrates, the animal's primary sources of gain. As long as the amount of VFAs produced are easily absorbed and uptaken into the liver and other tissues, producing an equal or greater amount of energy, the rumen and the animal remain healthy. Balance is everything.
So the health of the rumen is vital. Just like you or I, if our stomach hurts, we don't want to eat. So where do we get our energy from? We get our energy from food. So just like if the animal has a stomach ache or a rumen ache, if you want to say, they're not going to want to consume feed. So they're going to be low on energy.